Assembling your frame to your top sign assembly. Step 1. Remove pins from both sides. Step 2. Center your frame to your assembly. Each sign assembly will vary. Mark a line on the outside of your flapper so you have center marks for drilling. Lift the flapper on the straight up position, remove bolts. Clamp your frame to the flapper using your marks that you made for the center. Clamp it flush to the top of the flapper with the top of the frame. On both sides. Remeasure to make sure your frame is centered with your top sign assembly. Lift up to the top, to the straight up position, and drill through from the other side.
Just tell them that it's in to keep it from slipping.
You're good? Yeah. Once you drill one hole, stick one bolt through to keep the frame from slipping. Drill all 4 holes. Once you have all 4 holes drilled, take a 1/2 inch drill bit and countersink the holes you just drilled.
From this side, on the frame side.
On the frame side.
Ready?
Yeah. Drill it to where the bolt sits flush with the frame. It's okay if it sticks out just a hair. And you would repeat the process with all 4 holes.
Down, so they can see how far it's okay if it's not perfect. But good, I guess.
Once you countersunk all 4 bolts with the 1/2 inch drill bit, you should be able to assemble your frame to your top sign assembly. Always grease the bolts and the nuts. With any kind of grease, Vaseline. Repeat the process on both sides.
Don't have to pull down flat.
It is okay if the bolt sticks out the hair. We actually recommend that it does. Once your sign frame is fully attached with the 4 bolts, next step is to apply the sign and bolt down with the nuts and bolts that we supply with you.